happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mom out there. Today I'm filming a little get ready with me with my two toddlers, and I'll be chatting about what motherhood means to me. Motherhood journey is one of the transformative experience a woman can embark on. From the moment I held my bundle of joy in my hand, my life took on new meaning and purpose. As I reflect upon my first year as a mother, I was filled with a mix of emotion, joy, exhaustion, love, and growth. Motherhood has taught me patience in ways I didn't know I needed. There's a beauty in mess. Every day is a new adventure. Motherhood can be loud, trust me, can be loud, messy, and beautiful all at once. I used to think being a mom meant having it all together, like figure everything out together. But that's a lie. Now I know it's all about showing up, loving hard, and learning as you go.
Promise I find my peace through every trial. I'll hold his hand on this solid rock. I will stand. Faith over fear. It's the life that I choose.
So guys, I already prepared outfit for the girls. This is what Eliana is wearing. This blue dress. They are doing same color but different design. Ivana is wearing this one, and they are pairing it with. Eliana is pairing it with this shoe. Ivana is pairing it with this shoe. So I just want to get them ready. So this is the gift Eliana got for me. Mother's Day.
I have a heart.
Happy Mother's Day.
Where's the rock?
Best mom. Elena, this is so beautiful.
Yeah.
She got this one for me from school.
Yeah.
My favorite is this one. My mom rocks. At their school, they sent me a picture when she was painting this rock. I was like, what are they doing? I didn't even know they are trying to make this stuff. It looks so beautiful. This is my favorite. Can I just see it? It's mine already. You gave it to me.
Because I just want why mommy's rock?
My mom's rock.
So I just have to have face.
Mm-hmm.
Mother's Day.
What do you say?
Which I was Mother's Day.
Thank you. Can I have my rock back, please? Thank you.
So
I like it, Eliana.
no one that touch it.
Hmm?
No let if stranger come here, then tell me that. So it's just like running around like a princess.
Yeah, you're a princess. Ivana, come this way. Come this way. Don't enter the phone.
Mommy, so to go inside the phone.
It's not possible.
Ivana,
hello.
you
Put on your shoes. Mama, you stay here. Put on your shoes. Ivana, come and get dressed.
I'll open it. I will open it.
mercy flows like a river so deep.
What
In His promise, I find my
my
peace.
sister?
Through every trial,
Mommy,
hold
Yeah?
His hand.
mommy,
This
tomorrow,
rock I
Yeah.
will stand.
you, tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
at school, I will do, I will, tomorrow Miss Cooper don't give me papers.
Paint paper.
Yeah,
To do what?
to make something for the mom, for the
Ooh,
families.
it looks so beautiful.
Is this the right way?
Let me see.
Oh, that's
No,
no, okay.
this is the right foot. Wait.
Ay, manani lang naman sana. Stop it, Frank.
She want to wear shoe too.
Just read this one.
That's not going to fit her.
Mommy, let me show you if it's fitting. Oh, first I need to open it.
That's not her size.
It's working. Look, Mommy, it's
Wear
working.
your shoe. Put on your shoes,
It's
please.
working.
I'm gonna leave you at home.
You didn't give me socks?
No, you don't need socks, baby.
Oh. So why she's wearing socks? Why?
She's a baby. Are you a baby? Yeah, put on
You're
your
supposed
shoes.
to give me socks. I got a princess.
Careful, don't bump on her.
I got a big
Yeah, turn around. Look at me. Ivana. Hi, Mama.
Faith over fear until the victory is won. His mercy flows like a river so deep. In His promise I find my peace. Through every trial, I'll hold His hand. On this solid rock I will stand. Faith over
Some days I miss the freedom I had before kids, but I will not trade this life for anything. I'm learning to make time for myself, even if it's 10 minutes, because I matters too. Motherhood looks different for everyone. There's no right way to do it. So the mom watching this, you are doing better than you think. Trust me. You are doing better, and we are doing great.
His mercy flows like a river so deep. In His promise I find my peace. Through every trial I'll hold His hand. On this solid rock I will stand. Faith over fear, it's the life that I choose. No chains can hold me, no battles to lose. With grace in my heart and His love I will run. Faith over fear until the victory is won.
Is that yours?
The dress? Yeah, it's my dress. This is one I want to wear.
Mom, like this pretty dress, like this. Is that? Is that? Mommy? Mom, why did you take my corrections out?
Your what?
My corrections inside my blue block.
Correction.
Yeah, my blue block. I use it to fix Daddy's car.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That one. Because I could, because no, my daddy broke that from the store, so don't break it.
I'm not breaking anything.
So
I'm
that's
confused.
for my daddy's car.
I'm confused. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's my daddy's car. That
Lifting me high with every breath I lift his name to the sky. Faith over fear, it's the life that I
if
choose.
I now come.
No chains can hold me, no battles to lose. With grace in my heart and his love I will run. Faith over fear till the victory is won. His mercy flows like a river so deep. In his promise
Thank you
I
for spending Mother's Day morning
find
with
peace.
us. However you are spending today, I hope you feel celebrated. You are enough and you are loved. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Solid rock I will stand.
That is a mama. It's amazing how you do the things you do for me. Testimony, Yoti.
Mommy.
Hey. Ooh. Come and see, come and see. Eh? Hey. Give me chance.